Hey guys, welcome back to the Beam Homestead. Quick update on the flooring, the homestead house. So this is what's going on. This is what I got done so far with the flooring. I decided to grout it because I didn't want the dust and debris getting in between the cracks. So I decided to just finish off what I had with the thin set and just grout it. So I have over there in that row and that space right in between there. So yeah, this is what day Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Day 4 days of tiling, and this is the progress. Well, I'll say 4 days. 3 days and 2 hours. So yeah, I'm waiting to get some more thin set and more grout to finish it off. I'm gonna have leftover tiles, so I'm gonna use that for the edge of the wall, the foot of the walls.